If your iPhone's personal hotspot is completely grayed out and you can't tap it no matter what you do, you have come to the right place. I'm going to walk you through every fix that actually works step by step so you can start sharing your data again in the next few minutes. Toggle airplane mode. This one sounds simple, but it works surprisingly often. We are essentially forcing the iPhone to reconnect to the carrier network from scratch. Swipe down from the top right corner to access the control center. Tap on the airplane mode icon, it will turn orange. Wait about 15 to 20 seconds, then tap it again to turn it off. Let your iPhone fully reconnect to the carrier signal. You will see the bars come back in the top left corner. Now open the settings and check Personal Hotspot. Update carrier settings. Carrier settings are separate from iOS updates. They are small configuration files your carrier pushes to your phone. An outdated carrier profile can block hotspot from working, and most people never check for these. Go to Settings, tap on General, then tap on About. Stay on this page for about 10 to 15 seconds. If a carrier settings update is available, a pop-up will appear. Tap Update. If nothing happens, you are already on the latest version. After updating, restart your iPhone and check Personal Hotspot again. If none of the fixes have worked so far, a known iOS bug may be the culprit. Apple regularly patches these kinds of issues in software updates, so let's make sure you're running the latest version. Go to Settings, tap on General, and then tap on Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it. Connect to Wi-Fi first so it doesn't eat into your data. Once the update finishes and your phone restarts, check Personal Hotspot. And even if you're already up to date, try a forced restart. Press and quickly release the volume up button, press and quickly release the volume down button, then press and hold the side button until the Apple logo shows up. This clears any stuck system processes that might be blocking the hotspot feature. This fix resolves the majority of software-related hotspot issues. We are going to reset the network settings. Don't worry, this won't delete any of your photos, apps or data. It only clears saved Wi-Fi passwords and VPN configs, so make a note of those before you begin. Go to Settings, tap General, then scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap on Reset and finally tap on Reset Network Settings. Your iPhone will restart. Once it boots back up, go to Settings, then Personal Hotspot and check if it's tappable again. For many people, this single step is all it takes. Reinsert your SIM card. If you're using a physical SIM card, remove it and carefully reinsert it. Wait for your iPhone to reconnect to the cellular network. Then check whether Personal Hotspot has reappeared. If you use eSIM, you can skip this step. Check your carrier plan. Some budget plans and prepaid SIMs don't include it by default or lock it behind a paid add-on. Log into your carrier's app or website, check your current plan details, and look for words like tethering, hotspot, or data sharing. If it's not there, you will need to upgrade or add it. No software fix will help in that case. If your plan does include it, great. Call your carrier support line and simply ask why hotspot is not working on your SIM, and if it's accidentally disabled on their end. If it is, ask them to enable it for you. And that's how you can fix Personal Hotspot being grayed out on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.